Now, as far as getting the grates out of position in the storm mate or the storm drain system, it's as simple as using a broad screwdriver like this. You'll see that there's little tabs all the way along both sides. You simply just put the screwdriver in and pop it out, work your way along until you've done all of them. Then you can take the drain out. Now that's good for a couple of reasons. It means you can get in there and pick up any silt or leaves that have washed into it. But this time I'm actually changing it up. I'm going to go from the 100% recycled plastic to this very architectural stainless steel jobby. And the good news is it goes in even easier than it comes out. And there you go, all locked into place. And now I've got that beautiful stainless steel with the charcoal pavers.